All right, so it's still not the end of the day, but I'm getting close. I'm taking Benadryl and stuff. I've got the ceiling up. I've got the racks back up. I'd rather do that before we paint it. That way, if I poke the wrong holes, it's not as much of a game to find it, but that's there. This is put back together-ish. Still need flooring, but I cleaned all these up. The clutter in here is starting to get better. What I'm doing is I'm organizing, man. Like, it's what I can do for cheap at night, but I'm putting stuff back where it was. So office stuff is in the office now. None of it's, it's all packed. It's still all boxed up and, ready to run at a moment's notice if I need to for, it's a hard place to be. So either way, getting stuff kind of put away in here, out here. I've got a bed to bring upstairs. I've got another bed downstairs in the basement to bring upstairs. So moving. There's the couch there. There's another table like this one downstairs, so I can bring those up and set up the big table in here, put that couch back here, bring the other couch up out of the garage. But I think I'm at the point now where, mud tape, paint ceiling, do flooring, and then, I will paint later, but so this is my next big project for tonight, and this is the thing that I have been dreading the whole time. So the dust here is just so thick. So thick. So I got to get this all down. This all cleaned up. Like some of these have been torn and kind of ripped apart and discarded. And I pulled the rugs out, and pulling these rugs out is what gave me the allergy attack earlier that just kicked my ass. So I'm going to sweep those stairs down into here, clean this all out, and I fixed the box. I'll move that back over here. Carl and B want one of the benches. If anybody knows anybody who needs beer supplies, these are all beer bottles. Tons of them. So, and those are all bottles. So I'm gonna this is it. Like, this is the goal. We got the ceiling done up there today. That was awesome. I want the dust out. And that's, oh God, I have a roommate. This freaking spider in here is just a monster down in that hole. So yeah, bud, I'm gonna evict you, move you to the outside world, but that's next.